Welcome to the Amags Global YouTube channel, your partner in consultancy, sourcing, international trade and logistics. Today, we would like to show you the process of creating solar panels from one of the Chinese factories. In this video, we will also explain you the differences between solar panels, so you can choose the best one according to your needs. What is a solar panel? Solar panels are used to transform solar energy into electricity, which can be then used to run electrical appliances. In addition to producing electricity for household and commercial solar electric systems, solar panels can also be used for a wide range of other purposes, such as remote power systems for cabins, telecommunication equipment, remote sensing, and many others. What are solar panels made of? Solar cells are made up of silicon, and they are protected by a sheet of glass over the panels, which allows sunlight to be filtered to the cells. When exposed to sunlight, solar silicon dioxide cells generate an electric current, which is then converted to usable AC electricity via an inverter. How solar panels are made? First, positively or negatively charged solar silicon cells need to be built, that are either P-type or N-type. One solar panel is made up of 60 or 72 solar cells that are soldered together. Then the workers make the backsheet that covers the solar cells' bottoms. After, they install the glass front. This creates a layer of protection and lets light reach the solar cells. Installing the junction box, which safeguards the solar panel's electrical cables from harm, comes after. Sealing a metal frame around the panel with silicone will fuse all its layers together. Before sending a solar panel for usage, test it for quality and durability. Solar panels that have passed quality checks are now prepared for shipping and installation on residences or in solar farms. Monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film panels are the three basic categories of solar panels. In contrast to polycrystalline silicon panels, which are created by fuzzing together many silicon crystals, monocrystalline silicon panels use solar cells manufactured from a single silicon crystal. Monocrystalline solar panels are more efficient than polycrystalline ones, but they cost more because they're constructed from a single silicon crystal. Both options are good choices for your home solar system. Their main distinctions are in how attractive they are, and how much they cost and how efficient they are. Due to their extremely poor efficiency, thin film solar panels are really only employed for utility-scale projects in the solar industry. You need a lot of them to produce power as a result. Solar panels can reduce or eliminate your energy bills, and they are environmentally friendly. But there are other reasons why 2022 is a especially good year to invest in solar panel systems. Electricity rates across the world are rising. As those rates rise, the savings that come from installing solar panels only increase. Amags Global can help you choose the solar panels according to your needs and budget, and we will deliver them to your door directly from the factory. Check our website for more information and follow us on social media. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more.